Hello guys, so I couldn't wait to share this workout with you. I hope you would like it. Please, after doing this workout, tell me how you feel. Do comment and like this video, and please get ready on your mat with your water bottle as well as your hanky, because you are going to need it, you are going to sweat it and get those abs workout. Let's get ready on your mats.
सो फर्स्ट पोजीशन जो हम लेने वाले हैं उसमें जो लेग आपका स्ट्रेट है उसका टो पॉइंटेड रहेगा फ्रंट वॉल की तरफ। दूसरा लेग जो है उसका टो हम ग्राउंड पे रखेंगे और हील जो है अपने थाई के पास में रखेंगे। एक हाथ आपका जो है वो गर्दन के नीचे जाएगा। गर्दन के नीचे जिस हाथ को आपको रखना है वो आप लाइटली रख रहे हो फॉर सपोर्टिंग योर नेक ओनली। एंड नेक का जो गैप है चिन और नेक का गैप बना के रखेंगे। दूसरे हाथ को हम लोग ऊपर लेके जाएंगे शोल्डर लेवल पे ही 90 डिग्री पे, और एक्सहेल करते हुए टच करेंगे अपने थाई एंड शिन को। एक्सहेल करते हुए एब्डोमेन को पूरा इनसाइड पुश कीजिए और इनहेल करते हुए वापस आ जाइए। विल डू एटलीस्ट 30 राउंड्स। वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द 30 राउंड्स। ब्रेथ्स इन एंड आउट। ऑन द काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 10 more 9 8 7 6 last 5 4 3 2 and last 1. Relax. Let's do it with the other leg. Position your leg with the toe down, heel up, other hand going up. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I know you are able to feel it. Feel. Just keep on going. Last 10 9 8 7 6 5. Last 4 3 2 1 and relax. Breathe. In the next exercise, we will bring our leg in chair pose. One leg in chair pose, both toes are pointed towards the front wall. At 90 डिग्री पे इस लेग को रखेंगे। एक हाथ को फिर से लेके आएंगे 90 डिग्री पे स्ट्रेट अबव शोल्डर, और शिन को या फिर एंकल को टच करने की कोशिश करेंगे और फिर वापस जाएंगे। एक्सहेल करते हुए विल ब्रिंग आवर हैंड टुवर्ड्स आवर लेग एंड गो बैक। नेक का ध्यान रखेंगे, नेक के डिस्टेंस को बना के रखेंगे और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे अपने एब्डोमेन को। लेट्स स्टार्ट। 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Keep on going. Keep. Breathe. Last 15 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and change. Let's start with the other leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Last 10 9 8 7 6 5 4, 3, 2, last one, and relax. If you want to support your back, then you can put your both hands under your back, and if you want to do advanced, then you can keep your hands up. For the next round of exercise, this time we are going to hold our legs at 90 degree, but if you want to support your legs, you can support your legs. If you have any problem in your back, then you can bend your knees. Hold your legs for 5 counts here. 5 breaths. Yes, you are doing so well. Keep on going. Breathe deeper. And this time we'll lift our shoulders and neck up. If you are feeling any discomfort in your neck, you can keep your neck down. Breathe deeper. Inhale and exhale. Feel that shivering in your abdomen. Squeeze your abs inside. Contract your abdomen. Stay for a while longer. Deep breaths in and out. And slowly we'll start bringing our legs towards 60 degree, hands towards 120, and bring them together. Try to touch your shins and go back. Exhaling, we'll bring our legs and hands together. Inhaling, we'll go back. Contract your abdomen when your legs and hands are together. I hope you got the posture. Let's start on the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And those who have missed any, keep on doing. Those who have completed, they can also do some extras. 3, 2, 1. And slowly bring your both legs down. Breathe, relax, feel the impact in your body. And let's get ready for the next round. This time we'll bring our both legs in chair pose and pointing towards front wall at 60 degree. We'll drop our one leg down, tap the heel and come back. Exhaling, we'll drop our other leg down, tap the heel, and inhaling, come back together to this same posture. Let's start on the count. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. And जिन्होंने काउंट मिस करी है उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा काउंट्स. 3, 3, 2, 2, last one. एंड रिलैक्स. थोड़ा बैक को रिलैक्स कर लेते हैं, बॉडी को भी रिलैक्स कर लेते हैं. दोनों लेग्स में थोड़ा सा गैप रखेंगे, हाथों को सर के नीचे रखेंगे एंड विल ड्रॉप आवर लेग्स एक्सहेलिंग टू वन साइड. ऊपर वाले पैर का जो नी है वो नीचे वाले एंकल पे आएगा. लुकिंग इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में देखना है एंड कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग. ब्रीथ ब्रीथ, कीप ऑन ब्रीदिंग. फील द इम्पैक्ट, feel that nice effect on your back, and slowly bring your legs back to the center. Exhaling, drop them down to the other side. We'll look in the opposite direction. Keep on breathing. Markatasana. Keep on breathing. Slowly come back to the center. Get ready for the second round. Start with the first exercise. Bring your heel to your thigh, toe on the mat and start on the counts. We'll bring our hand exhaling towards our shin. I hope you remember. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you have missed any count, keep on going. If you want to do extras, you can relax. Otherwise, completing this round, let's change our leg. We'll do with the other leg, same exercise. Position your leg and let's start exhaling. Bring your hand towards your leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. नेक का ध्यान रखेंगे. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extra. No. Let's start with the next exercise. Both toes pointed towards the front wall. One leg. Bend in chair pose. And let's start with the speed. We'll bring our hand towards our shin. Exhaling, we'll bring our body together. Inhaling, we'll go back. So start on count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And leg change. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 5. Keep on going. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Second last exercise. This time we'll do only 120 and 60 touches. Legs at 60, hands at 120. Bring them together and go back. Exhale and inhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those have missed the counts. Extra 5 counts for them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Breathe, breathe. Let's start the very last exercise of today's workout. Bring your both legs in chair pose. We'll tap our heel down, exhaling and inhaling, come back. We'll do alternate. Let's start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Last 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And slowly bring your both legs down. Relax, guys. You have done so well. Thank you for joining me in this workout. We'll again do the Markatasana. Inhale and exhaling. Drop your legs down to one side. Look in opposite direction. Shoulders are touching the ground. Stay there. Breathe, 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 breathe. Keep on breathing. Feel the impact in your body. And slowly coming back to the center. Let's drop our legs to the other side. Exhaling, drop your legs. Look in opposite direction. Shoulders are touching the ground. Upper knee will be on the lower ankle. Markatasana. Stay there for few breaths. If you want to lie down, you may lie down here in Shavasana. That's it for the practice of today's. Thank you guys again. Namaste. Thank you everyone. If you will repeat this workout daily for at least 7 to 10 days, I'm sure you would be able to feel the impact in your body. Let's get started and do the sankalpa that we'd be doing this on the daily basis to get the best results.